Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Zoe. Today I'm going to be doing the Get Lit With Me tag and there's a little bit of a twist. So I asked you guys if you would like to see a Get Lit With Me throwbacks and I got like 90% yes. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do a Get Lit With Me, but doing all throwback music, so like early 2000s and 90s music basically. I'm going to be doing all hip-hop and R&B for the most part, but I was thinking that maybe I could do a series where I do a whole bunch of Get Lit With Me's, where I do different genres of music because I like everything, I like hip-hop and R&B, I like country music, I like pop music, I like rock music, I like alternative music. So if you want to see me do different genres or different throwback genres, then I would love to do that for you guys. If you aren't already, please subscribe before you leave and make sure you click on the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you get notified every single time I post a new video and you don't miss out on any of my videos. So if you want to see what I come up with for my makeup and you want to hear my throwback playlist, then just keep watching. I'm going to keep you guys zoomed out this much throughout the whole routine, just so you can like jam with me, and this isn't going to be like a step-by-step tutorial on whatever I come up with. So just keep that in mind. We're just hanging out and jamming together today. I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to go in with this color right here as my transition shade on the Morphe M441 really quickly. It's the way I feel. I made a mistake. I was too late. She ain't coming back. Nobody wants you to let it go. So I kind of want to do a like soft cut crease. I'm not sure how soft yet. It might not be soft at all. It might be a cut crease, but I'm gonna go in with this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette right here, this mid-tone brown. It's very warm, that's what I want. And I'm gonna go in with the M505 Morphe brush. So now I'm just going to cut the crease and I'm going to wing my crease out, so it's going to come out this way. Start doing eyeliner. This is all I'm gonna do to my lids. And I can't go without you. Hey, the best time, but it was our time, even if it was all time. And then you looking at times and then it happened like we wasn't happy. But now I know when that was wrong and we're getting married. All love and straight up. And I'm going to apply my lashes really quickly and I will be right back. I'm going to be using the Lily lashes in the style Havana. So my lashes are on. I'm going to start on my face. If you want to see like an in-depth tutorial on like how I get full coverage and what I do for my face, then there will be some tags up here. There's a high-end one and a drugstore one, so they will be tagged up here. But yeah, I'm gonna go through this kind of quickly, kind of jam out, and yeah.
She said she wants some more, I told her to drive over in your Louis, bring some friends you cool with. I'ma bring the cool with, then I want you to strip. Cause I remember, girl, it's the one who said, put your lips like this.
All the baby people screaming your name. I was there, and you were my baby. Oh, my, oh, my, oh, my, oh.
I'm bringing up older, and the fights keep getting worse. You better put that on my face. I'm feeling me, babe. Tell me how could I ever forget to be your love? People think we look crazy, but I think we look classy. But then again, that's only if you ask me. So the days just sitting around, but when the sun goes down, I'll be ready to party. I couldn't ask for no better weather. I'm right next to the Pacific. It's time to put the top up and park it, drop.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of.
So now I'm going to do my lower lash line. I'm basically going to do everything that I did in the crease. I'm going to do on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to put a nude pencil in the waterline and some mascara, and then I'll do my inner corner highlight. So for my inner corner, I want to make it really, really, really pink. Like I want to make it look very like bam kind of pink. So I'm going to take this pink right here from the Jaclyn Hill Favorites palette. It's not really showing up on camera like how actually pink it is. Let me see if I can swatch it. So I'm going to take this color right here. Actually, this is actually really pretty on its own. Oh, actually, I'm gonna go in. I was gonna go in with a highlighter on top of it, but it's pretty shimmery on its own, so I'm just gonna kind of intensify it. I'm gonna take this color right here, this like magenta purple color. I'm gonna put that on top of it, and then I'm gonna put the pink back on top of that. So see, now that I'm putting the purplish magenta color on top, it's starting to look a little bit more purple, but it's darkening up. That's what I want. So that it looks a little bit, when I put the pink on top, it's gonna pop more. So that's what it should look like now, and now I'm gonna put the pink back on top of it. Yeah. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with the KYLIE Lip Kit in Brown Sugar. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go in with this, and then I'm gonna go in with this in the middle, and I'm gonna make it ombre. My freaking camera's gonna die too.
I said it wouldn't be, would you believe me? Oh, believe me. How deep is our bond if that's what it takes for you to be gone? We only humans, girl, we make mistakes. To make it up, I do whatever it takes. I love you like a fat kid love cake. You know my style, I say anything to make you smile.
Talking to you.
Trying to be rude, but hey, pretty girl, I'm feeling you. The way you do the things you do. Trying to get you to a hotel. You must be a football coach. The way you got me playing the field. So baby, give me that ooh, and let me give you that hey, run it.
Silly on me. Devoted so much time. Wonder what you had on me to make you break my heart. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup look and this Get Lit with Me video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed listening to my throwbacks playlist. Let me know down below if you guys want to see a series of this on my channel. So we can do throwback country, throwback alternative, throwback rock, throwback pop, yada 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 yada. The list goes on and on and on. Or a throwbacks part 2 to R&B and hip hop. Just let me know. Let me know if you want to see this as a series on my channel. And if you aren't already, please subscribe before you leave and make sure you click on the little bell, which is the post notification, so you get notified every time I upload and you never miss one of my videos and one of my tutorials. And yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat are zoe.heynow, and then my Twitter is at zoeheynow. They will all three be in the description below, along with all of the music and all of the products that I used. So if you have any questions about the products, then just go look at the description. And also, one last thing is we are almost at 4,000. So once we hit 4,000 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway already. So make sure you subscribe so that you can join the family and help us grow and be part of the next giveaway. So yeah guys, that is it for this makeup look in this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it one last time, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!